Are you looking for a delicious way to support your weight loss journey? Low-carbohydrate desserts might be the answer. They offer a sweet treat without the guilt of excess sugar. Low-carbohydrate desserts are a great choice for those aiming to reduce sugar intake. They help maintain stable blood sugar levels, which can prevent energy crashes and cravings for unhealthy snacks. Some popular low-carbohydrate desserts include almond flour brownies, coconut flour cookies, and chia seed pudding. These treats are not only delicious, but also packed with nutrients that support your health goals. Low-carbohydrate desserts can aid in weight loss by reducing overall calorie intake and minimizing sugar spikes. They keep you feeling full longer, helping to curb overeating and support a balanced diet. When making low-carbohydrate desserts, use natural sweeteners like stevia or erythritol. Incorporate high-fiber ingredients such as nuts and seeds to enhance texture and nutritional value. Experiment with flavors to find your favorites. Incorporating low-carbohydrate desserts into your diet can be a tasty and effective way to support weight loss. Enjoy these treats while staying on track with your health and wellness goals.